What is up, my friends? In today's video, we're going to be testing out a cleaning hack that I found online here with ice cubes. Basically, the hack is simple. Put ice cubes in your dryer with your wrinkled clothes, let it dry, let it run through a 10-15 minute cycle, and the shirt is supposed to come out wrinkle-free. Let's move this around here and see how many wrinkles we got. So if you look at it, the shirt has its fair share of wrinkles for sure. Let's flip it over to the other side here. Okay, so ice in the dryer. Let's see what happens. Let's just walk on over here into my laundry room. Flip on the light. Boom. Here's my dryer. So we open this up, we take our wrinkled up shirt, we toss it in there, close the door. I'm gonna put it on about, let's see, we'll go 15 minutes. 15 minutes right there. We'll put it on a medium heat. And we're gonna pop the button. Oh. What am I thinking? I didn't put my ice cubes in. Take my ice cubes, pop it in there. Now, let's start it. She sounds a lot more vicious than she really is. It's just a couple of ice cubes flapping around inside. No big deal. Our 15 minutes is up. Let's pull out the shirt and see how she looks. Okay, let's walk in here. Okay, so it's still a little wet right here. I got some wet here. It's damp here, it's wet here, it's wet here. It's wet here. I'm not going to make an assessment yet and rate this hack. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the dryer, let it finish drying before I rate this. All right, let's see if it's dry now. Let's see if we got wrinkles. So here's our shirt. I don't see any difference. I see wrinkles here. I see just as many wrinkles now as I did when I started. Flip it over. Wrinkles, right? You can't be wearing this around town. So what am I gonna rate this hack? On a scale of do not try, indifferent, or yay yay, I'm gonna have to give this cleaning hack a do not try. Boo. Get this hack off the internet.